Dell Inspiron 5510. Dell's 5000 series laptops are the immeasurable performer and noticeable laptops in the market. Better battery backup, better performance, and no complications while using are the most noticeable features of the Inspiron 5000 series, including Intel's Core i5 11th Gen processor. Dell Inspiron 5510 runs smoothly, handles the heavy workload, and best performance without any glitches. 65-watt AC adapter. External diameter -4.50 mm, internal diameter 2.90 mm. Intel Core i5-11320H processor, 8M cache, up to 4.50 GHz, with IPU. 15.6-inch FHD, 1920x1080, anti-glare narrow border WVA display. 8GB, 2x4GB, DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, 2 SODIMM slots, upgradable up to 32GB, sold separately. 512GB M2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, SSD, hard disk, upgradable up to M.2223001 TB, 2282 TB, sold separately. Intel Iris Z graphics with shared graphics memory. The keypad and trackpad of Inspiron 15 are just simple and the typing experience is good. Key travel on this keypad is good and the typing experience is good and comfortable. This Dell laptop has a 15.60-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920x1080 pixels. It is a non-touch display. Screen-to-body ratio of this device is 16:9, which is a standard format of Dell's laptop. The viewing angle of this laptop is very good. HD webcam with privacy shutter. This laptop has good numbers of I/O ports, i.e. 4 USB ports, USB 3.2 General 1, Type A, USB 3.2 General 2, Type C, Thunderbolt 4, Type C, HDMI port, multi-card slot, Wi-Fi 800 2.11, headphone, and mic combo jack ports. If you need more, you can plug external connector. The body of this Dell laptop builds with aluminum and other sustainable sources. The Inspiron 15 comes with platinum silver color variants which look attractive, and due to the lightweight, it is easy to carry. If you consider a lightweight laptop, you can consider this device. This laptop produces minimal fan noise so that you finish your job without interruption. The dedicated graphics card of this laptop smoothly handles multitasking, heavy gaming, and 4K video editing. This laptop placement of vents are pretty good, and it ensures the air circulations for the best and optimal performance. Due to a good amount of airflow, there is no heating issue. Keyboard type: standard keyboard, backlit keyboard. Power button with fingerprint reader. Based on the build quality, processor, display, graphics card, RAM, and storage, this device is a good performer. Dell Inspiron 15, 5510, is suitable for school and college students, officials, and others for their smooth day-to-day work. You can consider this device for a long-term run.